The love vibration is a powerful force that goes beyond our everyday understanding of love. It's an energy that permeates the universe, connecting all living beings and influencing our lives in profound ways. This vibration is not just about romantic love. It encompasses compassion, kindness, and a deep sense of unity with all that exists. Understanding the love vibration can transform how we view ourselves, our relationships, and our place in the world. It offers a path to greater happiness, better health, and a more fulfilling life. In this video, we'll look at the nature of the love vibration, its effects on our well-being, and how we can employ this extraordinary energy to enhance every aspect of our lives. 1. Energy and frequency. At its core, the love vibration is rooted in the understanding that everything in the universe is made of energy. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, all matter vibrates at specific frequencies. This concept extends to our thoughts and emotions as well. Each feeling we experience has its own unique energetic signature. Love, in particular, vibrates at an exceptionally high frequency. When we experience love, whether it's towards a person, an animal, or even an idea, we're tapping into this high-frequency energy. The love vibration is often described as a warm, expansive feeling that radiates from the heart center. It's characterized by feelings of openness, acceptance, and connection. Unlike lower vibrational emotions like fear or anger, which can feel constricting or heavy, love feels light and uplifting. This is why being in love or experiencing deep compassion can make us feel as if we're floating on air. It's not just a poetic description. It's a reflection of the actual energetic state we're in. Understanding that love is a vibration rather than just an emotion can change how we approach our relationships and our lives. It means that love is not something that happens to us, but rather a state we can choose to cultivate. By consciously raising our vibration through practices like gratitude, kindness, and compassion, we can align ourselves more closely with the love vibration. This alignment not only affects our own well-being, but also influences those around us, creating a ripple effect of positive energy in our environment. 2. Heart-centered energy. The heart plays a central role in the love vibration. In many spiritual traditions, the heart is seen as more than just a physical organ. It's considered the seat of the soul and the center of our emotional and spiritual lives. The heart chakra, located in the center of the chest, is associated with love, compassion, and connection. When this energy center is open and balanced, we're able to give and receive love freely, fostering deep and meaningful relationships with others and with ourselves. Interestingly, modern science is beginning to catch up with what ancient wisdom has long known about the heart. Research has shown that the heart has its own complex nervous system, often referred to as the heart-brain. This system can operate independently of the brain in our head and has been found to influence our emotions, intuition, and decision-making processes. The heart also generates the strongest electromagnetic field in the body, which extends several feet beyond our physical form. This field can be measured and has been shown to change based on our emotional states. One powerful way to tap into the love vibration is through heart coherence meditation. This practice involves focusing on the area around your heart and generating feelings of love, appreciation, or gratitude. As you do this, your heart rate becomes more rhythmic and synchronized with your breathing, creating a state of coherence. In this state, the heart and brain work together in harmony, leading to improved emotional balance, clearer thinking, and a stronger sense of well-being. Regular practice of heart coherence can help you maintain a higher vibrational state, making it easier to access and express love in your daily life. 3. Impact on health. The love vibration doesn't just feel good, it's also good for our health. Numerous studies in the field of psychoneuroimmunology have shown that positive emotions, particularly love and compassion, have significant benefits for our physical well-being. When we experience love, our bodies release a cocktail of beneficial hormones and neurotransmitters. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, promotes bonding and reduces stress. Dopamine and serotonin associated with pleasure and happiness are also released, boosting our mood and overall sense of well-being. The health benefits of the love vibration extend beyond just feeling good. Research has shown that people who regularly experience and express love have stronger immune systems, lower blood pressure, and reduced risk of heart disease. Love and compassion have been found to reduce levels of stress hormones like cortisol, which can have damaging effects on the body when chronically elevated. Moreover, people who report feeling loved and supported tend to recover faster from illnesses and surgeries, demonstrating the healing power of love. Perhaps one of the most remarkable aspects of the love vibration is its ability to counteract the harmful effects of negative emotions. While stress, anger, and fear can trigger the body's fight-or-flight response, leading to inflammation and other health issues, love activates the relaxation response. This state of relaxation allows the body to focus on repair and regeneration, promoting healing and longevity. By consciously cultivating the love vibration through practices like loving kindness meditation, gratitude journaling, or simply spending time with loved ones, we can create a buffer against the stresses of daily life and support our overall health and well-being. 4. Influence on relationships. The love vibration has a profound impact on our relationships, both with others and with ourselves. When we operate at this higher frequency, we naturally attract more positive and harmonious relationships into our lives. This is because we're sending out a signal of openness, compassion, and acceptance, which draws like-minded individuals to us. In existing relationships, maintaining a high love vibration can transform dynamics, leading to deeper understanding, improved communication, and greater intimacy. One of the key ways the love vibration influences relationships is by fostering empathy and compassion. When we're aligned with this energy, we're more able to see things from others' perspectives and respond with kindness rather than judgment. This doesn't mean we always agree with everyone, but it does mean we approach differences with an open heart and a willingness to understand. This attitude can diffuse conflicts before they escalate and create an atmosphere of mutual respect and support. The love vibration also plays a crucial role in self-love and self-acceptance. Many of us struggle with self-criticism and negative self-talk, which can create a low vibrational state that affects all areas of our lives. By cultivating the love vibration towards ourselves, we can begin to heal these inner wounds and develop a more positive self-image. This inner work not only improves our relationship with ourselves, but also enhances our ability to form healthy relationships with others. When we truly love and accept ourselves, we're less likely to seek validation from others or stay in unhealthy relationships. Instead, we attract and cultivate relationships that reflect our own high vibrational state. 5. Spiritual connection. The love vibration is often described as a gateway to spiritual experiences and higher states of consciousness. Many spiritual traditions view love as the fundamental nature of the universe, the energy that connects all beings and things. When we tap into the love vibration, we're aligning ourselves with this universal energy, which can lead to profound experiences of unity and interconnectedness. These experiences often transcend our normal sense of self, allowing us to feel our connection to something greater than our individual identities. Practices like meditation, prayer, and mindfulness can help us access the love vibration and deepen our spiritual connection. These practices quiet the mind and open the heart, creating space for us to experience the subtler energies of love and compassion. Many people report feeling a sense of expansion during these practices, as if their consciousness is extending beyond the boundaries of their physical body. This can lead to insights about the nature of reality and our place in the universe, fostering a deeper sense of meaning and purpose in life. The love vibration also plays a crucial role in the concept of unconditional love, which is central to many spiritual paths. Unconditional love is love without expectations or attachments, given freely without need for reciprocation. It's a state of being rather than a feeling that comes and goes based on external circumstances. By cultivating the love vibration, we can begin to experience and express this unconditional love more consistently in our lives. This not only enhances our spiritual growth, but also has practical benefits, helping us navigate life's challenges with greater grace and resilience. 6. Manifestation and abundance. The love vibration is closely linked to the principles of manifestation and abundance. According to the law of attraction, we attract into our lives experiences and circumstances that match our vibrational state. Love, being one of the highest vibrational frequencies, has a powerful attractive force. When we operate from a state of love, we naturally draw more positive experiences and opportunities into our lives. This doesn't mean that challenges disappear, but rather that we're better equipped to handle them and find the growth opportunities they present. One way the love vibration enhances manifestation is by aligning us with our true desires. Often, what we think we want is colored by fear, insecurity, or societal expectations. When we tap into the love vibration, we connect more deeply with our authentic selves and our genuine aspirations. From this place of clarity and alignment, we're better able to set intentions and take actions that lead us towards our goals. Moreover, the positive energy of love helps us maintain faith and persistence in the face of obstacles, which is crucial for successful manifestation. The concept of abundance is also closely tied to the love vibration. True abundance isn't just about material wealth. It's a state of mind characterized by gratitude, generosity, and trust in the abundance of the universe. When we vibrate at the frequency of love, we naturally feel more abundant because we're connected to the infinite source of all creation. This feeling of abundance leads us to approach life with an open heart and open hands, ready to give and receive freely. Paradoxically, the more we give from this place of love, the more we seem to receive, creating a beautiful cycle of abundance in all areas of our lives. The love vibration is a powerful force that has the potential to transform every aspect of our lives. By understanding and consciously cultivating this high-frequency energy, we can improve our health, deepen our relationships, enhance our spiritual connection, and create more abundance in our lives. The beauty of the love vibration is that it's always available to us. It's not something we need to acquire from outside ourselves, but rather an energy we can tap into at any moment by choosing love, compassion, and gratitude. As we align ourselves more consistently with this vibration, we not only enhance our own lives, but also contribute to raising the collective vibration of humanity. In a world that often seems filled with conflict and division, embracing the love vibration offers a path to healing, unity, and a more harmonious existence for all. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.